My name is Dora. I'm a format expert, and today I'm going to show you how to create a title page. So let's get started. To create a title page, you will first need to add a custom page to your site. You can add a custom page by going to the Pages editor from the left side toolbar over here, then by clicking on the Create button over here and adding a custom page. And then click Add Custom Page. Once within the custom page editor over here, to add a title page, you will need to click on the Select a Template button over here, then on the Title Page Template button over here. Once within the title page templates offer, you will see a few options to add a title page. So I will click on the Lindsay Smith title page template over here, and this will be applied within the editor automatically over here. Once within the editor, you can click on the image to replace the background image over here. I will select an image that I have already imported onto a format page previously onto my site. This will be uploaded automatically as the title page background image for my site. I will give my title page a title. And then I will link my title page to another page on my website that I will want to have as the first page after a visitor clicks on the title page link. I'll click on link over here. Once you do this, you will see that you have three options to link a title page. You can link it to a page on your website, you can link it on a page to an external website, or you can hyperlink it to an email address. I will link it to a page on my website. Once you click on the Create button over there, you will have added a link to your title page. I will save changes. And then I will go to the Design Editor for this title page by clicking on the Edit Design button over here. This will bring me to a one-to-one editor for the title page that I have created, from where I can change the overlay opacity of my title page, so the overlay opacity that this background image will have, to say 10% over here. You can change it to 0% if you don't want your background image to have any overlaying color at all. You can change the background overlay color from the default black to any other color that you choose. You can then change the text color from the default white to any other color that you choose. You can also change the size of your font from the current large to medium or to small. You can also change the text font as well by browsing through our font library. And you can also change the style that your text has when it is hovered over. The current style is to have it underlined. You can change it to have a line through the text, like this, or to have no hovering effect whatsoever. I will save those changes. Yes, apply changes. After which I can also preview my title page on mobile by clicking on the mobile preview button over here. I can also preview it full screen by clicking on the full screen button over here. And that's it. If you have any further questions, please do feel free to get in touch with us via chat by clicking on the chat icon that is located in the lower right hand side of your screen over here, or via email at info@format.com. We'd be happy to hear from you.